So this is question 2 part C, 5th year summer exam, and you're given that x squared plus ax minus 1 is a factor of this cubic polynomial, and you're asked to show that q is equal to minus into a or plus 1 equal to 0. So with this question, you know you're given that x squared plus ax minus 1 is a factor, so therefore you know that it divides into this cubic polynomial, leaving no remainder. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. So we're going to take the x squared plus ax minus 1, we're going to divide it into x cubed plus px squared plus qx plus r. Okay, so what do you multiply x squared by to give you x cubed? You multiply it by x. So x by x squared is x cubed, x by ax is ax squared, and x by minus 1 is minus x. Draw your line, change your sign, so minus, minus, and that becomes a plus. So x cubed minus x cubed cancel, and you have px squared minus ax squared, and I would take out the x squared, so I'd have p minus a by x squared, and here it's plus qx plus x, so I would take out the x, so I'm going to be left with plus bracket q plus 1 by x, and then I'm going to take down my r, so it's plus r. Now what do I multiply x squared by to give me p minus a by x squared? I multiply it by plus p minus a. So p minus a by x squared is p minus a by x squared. P minus a by plus ax is going to give you plus a by p minus a by x. And p minus a by 1 is going to give you minus bracket p minus a. I'm going to change my signs again. So this becomes a minus, minus, and this becomes a plus. So the p minus a by x squared and the minus p minus a by x squared cancel. Now I know that what I'm left with here, okay, I have absolutely no remainder, so I'm just going to put 0 in underneath, and I'm going to let all the x part, all the x terms equal to 0, and all the constants equal to 0. So I'm going to have q plus 1 by x and minus a bracket p minus a by x, and that's all equal to 0. And then on the other side I'm going to have r plus bracket p minus a is equal to 0. So I'm just going to get rid of the x's the whole way across. So q plus 1 minus a by p minus a is equal to 0, and that one there is fine. Now the question asked me to show that q was equal to minus into a or plus 1. Now I have, in this little equation here, I have q, a and a p, and over here I have an r, p and an a. So this is the one where I have the q. So I need this in terms of q, a and r. So we're going to use this one here, and we're going to find something here and to put in for the p that we have here. So I'm going to have r plus p minus a is equal to 0. So p is equal to, bring over the minus a, and bring over the r, and I get minus r. So everywhere I see p, I'm now going to put in a minus r. So I'm going to have q plus 1 minus a into a minus r minus a is equal to 0. The two a's are cancelling, so I'm going to have q plus 1 minus a by minus r equal to 0. So q plus 1 plus ar is equal to 0. Now I'm asked for q equals, so q equals a, I'm going to bring over my minus ar, and then, or the ar, and it becomes minus ar, and I'm going to bring over the 1, it becomes minus 1. Okay, so q is equal to, take out the minus, I'm left with ar plus 1, which I'm asked for. And that's not equal to 0, it's just q is equal to minus bracket ar plus 1.